Hi Pisces, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your mid-October reading and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the middle of the month. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Okay, and this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Okay, so let's see what is there for my Pisceans in mid-October. Angel, spirits and guides, what is there for my Pisces for mid-October? Pisces. At the back of the deck we have Three of Cups with the Four of Swords. So it's a very different energy because I'm seeing that it's like, you know, somebody over here is like really happy. So you are celebrating, you are in that mode of celebration, and your person is in a mode of depression. Okay, so it's very different energies over here. Let's see. Yeah. So you are in that state of rejecting someone. That is what I'm seeing over here. See, you and your person over here, they are in a very opposite energies. The way you are feeling is not the way your person is also feeling. No, it's like from inside, that is what. See, you are happy. I'm seeing that you are happy, you are celebrating, you are in that mode of enjoyment, and that is what your person is like. So they are in that mode of depression, you know, sleepless nights and thinking about you or the situation, whatever might have happened with you, because there was something. Three of Swords happened. Okay, so it was a separation which happened, and that is why they are not feeling the way they you know, they are still in that progressing mode. They are still not yet over from that situation. I'm seeing in your side with the Seven of Pentacles. So it is like your energies are really really confirming energies. Okay, it means that, you know, you have made a decision, you are really ready to progress in this relationship. Okay, you are ready for something, you are ready, you're growing, you are giving yourself time, you are being patient over here. You are, that is what I'm really getting over here. You know, it's a very beautiful energy with the Seven of Pentacles. You are really not in a hurry mode. Your person over here is like, you know, they are still hoping for this relationship to work, but you are in your side, you are working within yourself, you really want to progress in your life. And this situation, you have taken the decision with your intellectual mind. You were practical before taking this decision, whatever you have taken. Okay, because you have not accepted, you are in that rejection mode, and your person is in the acceptance mode. Okay, with the Two of Cups in their side, it's like they always wanted this relationship to work, they are still ready for you to come back, but it's a no from your side. It's a definitely no, you are rejecting. Okay, you are being a very practical person. They are also very practical. They might not show their feelings, but they really feel for you. Okay, that is what it is coming. They feel it, they miss you, they want to be with you, but from inside it's like, you know, they cannot do anything. The actions cannot be done. It's like a hoping, it's like dreaming, it's like praying for you, but they cannot do anything. Okay, so that is what the actions are not. I'm not seeing the actions from their end, but it's more of a hope, it's more of a how to say, it's a prayer basically. That is what the outcome I'm seeing with you is the Ten of Cups and the Six of Wands from their side. It's like you know, they really want the attention. That is what they want. They want you to attend them. They want that attention from your end, but it's up to you, because I'm seeing your energies are really other, you are not in that zone. You are really happy with whatever you have other dreams in your life. You are happy, you are enjoying the way you are enjoying your life. You don't want anyone to enter right now. It's like it's the best which I can have right now. That is what I'm really getting with your 10 of Cups energies over here. The advice from you is, for you Pisces, is Knight of Wands with the Queen of Wands. Enjoy the life the way you want. That is what, this is a very fiery energy. You need to show the action. Now the actions are required from your side. Universe is telling you it's the best you can have. You want to enjoy your life, enjoy the way you want. Okay, just be a little silly, be a little selfish, no matter whatever it takes. Sometimes you have to think about yourself as well. That is the best advice from these two cards which I can give, which universe can give you. It's like enjoying the way you want, enjoying your life the way you want, and that is what you are doing. Okay, what else we have? See, 7 of Cups. So it is like, do not get confused. Okay, do not enter in that confusion state. Just live your life. Again, confusion. See, 7 of Cups with the 2 of Swords. Do not enter in that confusion state. Do not enter in that confusion mode, because you have already seen that thing. Now you are free. You are thinking about yourself, and that is what the universe also wants you to think about yourself. Be a little selfish, it doesn't matter. Just enjoy the life. If you want a new beginning with your life, go on, go ahead now. Okay, it's your life. So you do not need to look backwards now. Do not look back, just go ahead, move on in your life. A very beautiful message from the universe, my dear Pisces. It's really beautiful. Regrets and thinking about other things, being in guilt and regrets will not help you. Just enjoy the life, because the process has ended. Enjoy the life the way you want. Do not enter in that regret, in that guilt zone anymore. So what do we have over here? We have Aquarius, Aries, Libra, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Leo. What else? Leo again. Sagittarius energies. Yeah, so that's all. So that is all from my side, my Pisces. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.